Hello guys, it's me once again, Anna's recipe. Today I'm going to prepare chili chicken. It's a very simple recipe I'm going to make today, right? It's chili chicken. I'm going to make in a Chinese manner, right? In a Chinese style. So first of all guys, I will be preparing I will marinate the chicken and I'll keep it for 20 minutes to get soaked so that the masala which is there that can be put nicely in the chicken, right? So first of all I'll put the ingredients here. I'll be putting egg, right? There is one egg here. I'll be putting one egg so that the chicken does not get stuck. When you fry it, the chicken won't be get stuck. So that's the reason we put egg. Then this is corn flour. This is called corn flour, right? And this is maida, all purpose flour maida, which you need to put so that it becomes soft and crispy, right? The chicken will become crispy and soft as well. And there is soya sauce, black soya sauce, which you need to put. And this is the salt. So guys, let's get started. I have taken the egg, right? Then I'll put the corn flour. Then I have put the corn flour. Then I'll put the all-purpose flour, that is maida. Maida is also put. I'll put some soya sauce, black soya sauce. I have put the black soya sauce. Then I'll put some salt. I have put salt and I'll put some golgi powder. This is pepper powder. I have put everything. Now I'll mix them properly and marinate them. You can see guys that I have marinated the chicken, right? I have marinated the chicken and I'll keep this for at least 20 minutes, right, to get nicely marinate and get soaked. Taken out the marinate chicken, right, that has been marinated. I've just taken out. Now I'll fry them. First you have to heat the pan, the karai, right? Then I'll put some oil. I have taken some oil. It's being heated, right? Okay. The oil is heated. Now I'll put the marinated chicken little bit and I'll fry some. I have taken the chicken and I'll fry them. And mix them properly. As you can see guys, it's being fried. I'll make it more little, I'll fry it more. See guys, the chickens are fried. Now I'll take them out and I'll put another chickens here to get fried. I've taken the chicken out. Now I'll marinate another slot of chickens which is there. I'll fry them. I've put them. Now I'll fry. The chickens are being fried. Now I'll take out the chickens. It's fried. You can see guys, I have fried all the chickens. Right now I'll make the chili chicken. First of all, I have cut the onions. in a diced size, big size, square. And I have minced the garlic and the ginger and chilies. You can see the chilies, I have cut it in a slanted ways, right? Then I need some soya sauce and the corn flour for the gravy. Now the remaining oil which I have fried the chicken, now I'll put the minced garlic and the ginger and fry them. The garlic and the ginger I've put in and I'm frying them properly. Have to do it little brown. That the ginger and garlic is brown in color. Now I'll put some onions which I have diced it. I'll take the onions and I'll put. I'll mix them, fry them properly until it turns little brown. Now the onions are being fried. It is turning brown in color. Now you can see the onions have been turned brown. Now I'll put the chicken which are fried. The chickens I've taken. I'll mix them properly. Now I'll put the soya sauce and the corn flour mixture. I mix them with water a little bit. I'll put them. You can see them. I've put it. You can see. I'll be putting some tomato ketchup in it for the taste. It is not necessary, you can put also, and if you do not want to put, it's okay. So I'm putting the tomato ketchup. Now I'll mix them. I'll put some water for the gravy. If you want dry, you can make it dry. If you want gravy, you can put some water in it so that it will be thick gravy, because you have put the corn flour in it to make it thick, the gravy. You can see, guys, it's being made. It's being cooked nicely. I've made a thick gravy. And you'll need to put some salt if you require, because before when we marinated, I have put in some salt. So if you want, you can put more salt. So I'm putting some salt. See, guys, the chili chicken is ready. Now I'll serve them. I'll garnish it with some onion leaves, that the spring onion. I'll garnish them. So I have garnished them with spring onions. I hope you all guys liked my video which I have made. So thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel and watching my video and supporting me and to grow and supporting me to grow my channel also. So please tell your friends and family members to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below. I'll be up with more videos like this, more cooking videos. So guys, till then, take care, see you.